See here, the next topic we're discussing about motion of air bubble in liquid. Motion of air bubble in liquid. See, let us consider lake or container. Anyone take. So this is considered the container. See here is considering by a liquid. It is also is considering also lake also. Lake or container. See this is a total what is called as a liquid. What is considered as a liquid. Now the air bubble can be moved the bottom of the lake to surface or top of a lake. Now its volume will be increasing. So what will increase by the volume will be increasing. When a air bubble, so this is the air bubble is moving bottom to surface. This is called as the bottom and it is called as the top or surface. Top or surface. Now this air bubble can be moving the bottom to surface or top of the lake. Now what will be increasing by there? It's a volume can be increasing. Volume can be increasing. If V1 and V2, see at the bottom it's a volume we are considering a V1 and at the top it's a value we consider the V2. Now if V1 and V2 are the volume of bottom and top of the lake. Bottom and top of lake or container. Now we can assumption here we can assumption temperature is constant. What we can assumption by that? Temperature is constant. When the temperature is constant, see what is the formula can apply by the Boyle's law. At Boyle's law, pressure and volume is equal to constant. What is that? At constant temperature means what we can apply by the Boyle's law. At Boyle's law, what is the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. Now the pressure into volume is equal to constant. Then we can write here the P1 V1 is equal also P2 into V2. P1 is nothing but pressure and volume at the bottom. And P2 V2 is the top of the pressure and volume. Now at the bottom is nothing but it have there. So how much of the depth is there here? The h of the depth. Here h is equal to depth. H is equal to depth. And h is equal to capital H is equal to atmosphere. H is equal to atmosphere. Now we can write here the P1. P1 where is taken by there? At the bottom. What is taken by the bottom? Now at the bottom, the pressure will be out there. The how much of the pressure is there here? The H of the atmospheric pressure and its depth. How much is there? H. This total is equal to the P1 and into. So what is taken by the same volume? How much is there here at the bottom? V1. At the top. Now the top what is there? Only for here there atmospheric pressure. What is there here? The atmosphere. Pressure is there only. See what is constrained by there only for here the constrained by any atmosphere pressure only is there here the atmosphere. See which is that is there by there the capital H is the surface. Then we can write here the P2 is equal to H into the volume is how much is there here the V2. Now this is the one of the equation of the motion of a air bubble in liquid. Motion of a air bubble in liquid. Capital H plus small h into V1 that is equal to H plus V. H is equal to atmosphere and small h is nothing but depth. For example, we are considering here if the container or lake, the considering any n air bubbles. How many bubbles are there here? The n air bubbles. If V2 is equal to n V1. V2 is equal to how much is considered by there? N into V1. Then we can write here the substitute above equation. Then H plus small h into V1 is equal to here H into V2 is equal to how much is there? N into V1. How much is there here? The N into V1. Now here the V1 it gets cancelled. V1 it gets cancelled. Remaining what is there here? The capital H plus small h is equal to capital H into N. Capital H into N. Then we take this is the direction or nothing but is the only this H is taken this side. H will be taken this side. The small h is equal to capital H into N minus capital H. Capital H into minus N. Then here take the common for the H. N minus 1 into capital H is equal to small h. Then we can write also N is equal, we can write this is the depth of a formula. Depth of a formula. And also we can explain by that this h is taken this small h by capital H is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1. Now the minus 1 is taken this side. Small h by capital H plus 1 is equal to small n. Now here is taken this is another formula for the n molecules. See the n is equal to number of air bubble in lake or container. Number of air bubble or container. See that is the formula for the n is equal to small h by capital H into plus 1. See this is the formula for the depth. See what is the depth for the formula? N minus 1 into capital H. N minus 1 into capital. Here also, here small h is equal to what is the depth. And capital H is equal to atmosphere. Atmosphere. N is equal to also the number of air bubble in a lake. This is the two formulas of a motion of a air bubble in liquid.